Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your product prototyping business. If you run a product prototyping business, then manually collecting requirements and sending updates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for product prototyping business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a hi message. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi there, welcome to our product prototyping business. Prototype and 3D model experts, what would you like to do today?" And it has provided us with 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says submit requirements. And it responds us with, "Please reply with product type." And here I have to respond with 3D design. And it responds me with, "For 3D design, product type, we will review and share timeline within 24 hours. So I'm going to select the second option that says view timeline. And it responds us with 3D design 2 to 4 days, prototype sample 5 to 7 days, final delivery 7 to 10 days. Lastly, I'm going to select the last option that says track my project. And our chatbot responds us with a clickable tracking link. So this is how we have created product prototyping business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. Our new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I have named it as WhatsApp Chatbot for your product prototyping business. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. We use regex to activate the chatbot with any given keyword. We have to use a specific format to use regex, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when you click on it, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I've added this message and here I've added these little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Lastly, I've asked what would you like to do today, and here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. And now we have to curate a response for each one. So let's begin with submit requirements, and for this I'm going to access type notes and then I'm going to ask question and drop it here. And here I'm going to ask for requirements. Here I've asked for product type. In the contact custom field I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any and link it to the corresponding quick reply option. And now I'm going to curate a response for this with the help of text button. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. Here I've added $add because add was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual product type sent by the user. Next I'm going to curate a response for view timeline, and for view timelines I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the timelines like this. Here I'm going to add star signs, and our message will appear like this to the user. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track my order with the help of text button, and here we have provided a clickable tracking link which will appear like this to the user. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for product prototyping business. And once you have created this chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.